The new bridge on Gordon River Road at Glenora is almost finished. After completing another bridge in neighbouring Bushy Park and strengthening a third across the Derwent River, we are nearing the end of our bridge upgrades in the Derwent Valley. The new integral bridge at Glenora is a type of bridge where the beams and deck are connected to the abutments. These are structural elements at each end of the bridge that support its weight. We build this type of bridge in locations where the river is less than 40 metres wide. The benefit of this type of structure is that it's quicker to build and easier to maintain. After installing the bridge beams, we poured a total of 320 tonnes of concrete on the bridge deck. Next, we built the roads next to the bridge, followed by a final asphalt seal over the entire bridge and approaching roads to ensure a smooth and uniform road surface. The bridge is due to open to road users from late April 2025. Once the bridge is open, we'll remove the temporary bridge and continue to work on the finishing touches. We appreciate everyone's patience while we are completing this important project.